Hi guys, welcome to this short video about the question if we can use this no sewing button replacement for normal trousers. I have lost this button here. Yeah, it was here on the side, and I just lost it like many before with other trousers. And first I wanted to ask my wife, but she's having a tough job. I mean, she's a professional cleaner. She's doing cleaning kitchens, bathrooms, toilets, whatsoever the whole day, and down on her knees and doing a tough job. And I didn't want to say at the evening, hey, welcome darling, can you please fix this thing? So I decided to buy this cheap set here. You can get them in two different styles. One is the removable set and one is the non-removable set. What I didn't notice at the beginning, that the non-removable ones come with a sharp tip and the removable ones do not come with sharp tips in the screws. I mean, here we have screws, of course. With the non-removable there are no screws, so there's no real thread, but they look similar, the non-removable, but they have like a sharp tip. Then it's easier to put them back here into the hole. I mean, sometimes you don't have a hole when they just were using normal sewing. Then sometimes you can't find a hole, and that's a problem, and then you need something like that. I mean, usually you can find these in every screwdriver set, or you have them sometimes in pocket knives or so. Yeah, I had this in this screwdriver set and it works really good, so I tried to find a hole where I didn't do too much damage, and I think I got the right place here. Yeah, I had a little bit push here, and now we have the screws, like 20 of them. I mean, by the way, they are pretty cheap. The whole thing, including the screwdrivers, just $7. You get the same thing with the non-removable for $6. You get 20 of these screws, and you get, I think, 10 of the beige ones and 10 of the silver ones, and I think the beige one is better. What do you think? Yeah, it's hard to say. I think I go with the beige ones here. The good thing is, really, if you don't like it, you can remove it and then replace it with the other one. So let's see, after using this thing here, hole punch, or I don't know how to tell, this has about same diameter as this small screwdriver here. So we are going into the hole, try to find the hole from the inside. Yeah, I think the best thing is to make the hole and then use it right away instead of talking around like me. So now I had to look for the hole again, but I think I'm through the hole here. And now let's put this thing on this side. Let's hold it like this. We can use the screwdriver. Yeah, it's not the best screwdriver. Maybe I'll grab another one. Yeah, let's finish it with this, but I think I would suggest to use another one. It's not the best screwdriver. There's not so much power. You can use that. So looks like the job is done. Yeah, it's a little bit loose. Yeah, not too much. It's not bad, actually. Yeah, two things maybe. I mean, you have to be aware of that the whole thing has quite some thickness, not extreme. I have seen larger ones. It's about, yeah, it's not half an inch at the very end. So I'll finish one without the pants, and then you can see how it looks. Yeah, I'm here at the very end. I cannot screw it deeper in, so that's about the thickness what you get at the very end. You have to be aware of that. It's not absolutely flat, but it's not very thick. Some people have been complaining about is that the diameter of the part inside is too small, and it could definitely be larger. I don't understand why it has a larger diameter. If you have already quite a hole here, then yeah, probably it will fail again after a couple of weeks or months. If you have just a very small hole, or you had to do your own hole, probably it will last for a longer time. But if you have already torn it out, and then you have already a large hole, then it doesn't help a lot. So it would have been much nicer with the larger diameter inside. Yeah, I definitely agree on that. Let's see if it works better with this screwdriver. Yeah, that's definitely a much better one. I can give a little bit of extra power here, but I think at the very end it worked. So I'm done here for now. I'm going to wear these pants for a while, and if I'm fine, then I'm releasing the video. Of course, also when I'm not fine with that, I just want to let you know at the very end if it at least survives, let's say, a week or so of wearing them. Yeah, I mean, I have applied this a week ago. Then I have been wearing these pants for a couple of days, and it has been in the washer, and this is how it looks. It looks definitely like at the beginning, no rust, no nothing, and everything works, and I have no doubt that it will last for quite a while, probably even longer than the original one. And if I don't like it, I can replace it with this one here. It's a little bit hard to tell which one is better, but from my side I would say it's a nice thing. For me, this thing here really works, and I can actually recommend to buy this thing. I mean, it was a nice thing. Usually I would have to ask my wife for that. Now I can do it myself. It's a good thing, and I'm happy with it. $7, good invested. I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description, so you can check it out and order it from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or better solutions, maybe you have found something better than that, and just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.